Hello. Hello, 7th grade. We're going to dissect frogs today. Mrs. Goldberg is our camera person. All right, so here we have a leopard frog. And just like any dissection we did earlier this year, we always look at external features first. So we remember the dorsal and the ventral are the terms we're going to use, anterior and posterior. So looking at this frog, you can see, it's very big. Some neat features about the frog is if we look right here, if you look at that, that is its eardrum. So that's actually how it hears. And you can see its eye, it's actually got two different eyelids. And the eyelids, the one is too firm, I can't see. That's like a human eyelid, it's very thick. The other one is thin. So we remember frogs are amphibians, they live on land and on water. And when they go underwater, the clear eyelid allows them to still see. So if I kind of pull this back, maybe, you can see it's kind of clear and I can see the eyeball. So it's got a clear eyelid. And I'm going to actually carve out the eye. Kind of inhumane in a sense, but their eyes look like a little BB. They're very green. Just kind of pluck out the eye. And almost had it. There we go, there's the eye. Knife is dull.
I'm glad you're not my surgeon.
Mm-hmm. I'm kidding. Alright, there is the eye. And as you can see, it's very small, like a little BB or an airsoft pellet. That's what their eye is like. Some other interesting things, the frogs, of course, have long tongues. So their mouth, getting in their mouth is tough. You can see their tongue. And their tongue actually, rather than shooting out, it actually folds out. So if I peel it open, you can see it actually folds forward, and it's attached at the front versus the back, like a human tongue. Like that. And then that eardrum, to help it breathe, this eardrum kind of regulates. There's a hole in the back, and it actually pokes out at the eardrum. I know it's tough to see in a video, but that's kind of what the inside of the mouth looks like.
So what are there's two little things on the top of its roof of its mouth. What are those?
They're very hard. They're kind of like teeth. If I can feel with my thumb right here, I can feel small, kind of like sandpaper. That would be its teeth. Yep, right around the lip. So that is kind of the external features. Again, there's not much more. So let's go ahead and get into the interior stuff. So I'm actually going to start out with the scissors. And you can see it's already kind of cracked open, so I'm going to cut away the skin and everything. Cut towards the anterior, not going too deep. And then I'm going to kind of cut across to its shoulder blade. Go flip it. The posterior, cut across. Now I can see that this flap of skin is pretty loose. There's a couple layers of skin, so actually I can kind of just peel it. Use my hands here. Much easier than an earthworm. And I'll just cut away this skin and get it out of the way. Side. Just leave that there. All right, so there you can see Frogs, very strong abdomen muscles, kind of like human abs. You can see it's broke through, so we're going to cut through there so we can get to our organs. And I'll move the skin. So we can already identify some organs that we've been learning about. So we've been learning about digestive and respiratory system and circulatory. Right away, you can see this here. This is one of the lungs. I could not cut this part because it's kind of a hard skeletal bone, kind of like the human rib cage. These darker organs is the liver. On the frog, there's 3 flaps, kind of 2 on this side and 1 on that side. You can see one of the intestines. All of this stuff are eggs. So this is a female frog, and she's pregnant, very pregnant. You can take some out. You can see there's small little beads. And let's see if we can get at some of these organs to identify. Kind of lift them up. All right, I'll try and get at that heart. You can kind of see here. All right. Maybe. I think I lied. This is actually the frog's heart. Okay, so it's very pink in color. The dye, the preservative dye, maintains that color so we can identify it. So this is actually the heart. That means we should see a lung on either side. So I might have to kind of dig a little bit to identify a lung, and sure enough, this little flap right here is a lung. So we have heart, pumps the blood, oxygen comes into the lung, and the blood and oxygen come into contact there. So there's one of the lungs. Like I said, here's the liver. We learned that the gallbladder is right next to the liver. It's usually on the back side, and I have to kind of look for it. And I don't know. This might be it. It might just not have any stuff in it. This might be the gallbladder. Not much in there. Thinking of the digestive system. So we have the mouth, the esophagus. The first organ is the stomach. After the stomach, it goes to the intestines. Okay. And wraps around here. We know that the small intestine comes first, and then it reaches to the large intestine, which would be located behind all these eggs. Maybe. Oh, looks like this is the large intestine. So a little bit different than the human. So stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and then rectum and anus. Other stuff in the grass or in the frogs. These are reproductive organs. We didn't learn about those. Kind of looks like the small intestine, but that produces all of the frog eggs inside the female. Any other organs I missed? Got heart and lungs, stomach,
liver, kidney.
Kidneys. Kidneys are really tough to see. Those are going to be in the back I don't know if we're going to see it in the frog. Really tough. Break some of this skin here. You can see the part of the nervous system, so the spinal cord and the vertebrae right there. And some other important blood vessels, you know, transporting up and down, blood up and down the body. If we look at the frog's legs, you can see the muscles. The frog legs are very strong. And just by doing a quick cut here, you can see some of the muscle groups inside the frog. It kind of looks like a chicken leg. So you can see kind of some of the fibers there.
Mr. Willem's gonna have this for dinner later.
Yep, for dinner. Put away some of that skin. There you go. You can see the muscles a little bit better on the frog. Very good. And that is all that we have right now.